Creme Pizzazz, welcome back to my channel. If you want to stick around and see how I did this cream liner, stay posted, stay here. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is more like an angelic angel vibe kind of feeling here. So if you want to continue to stay watching, please do so. Don't forget to like, subscribe so we could be friends. Love ya.
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. They just wanna fuck with you, cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Would you thug it out? Would you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, baby, 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 baby. Don't let me down, don't do me wrong, 'cause I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. I'll never have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Shopping spree on my dime, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I tell you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
Head of free